The FDA recalls more than 67,000 cases of deodorant. Various power stick deodorants are being recalled due to current good manufacturing practice deviations. Specifically, it involves 265 cases of power stick for her roll-on antiperspirant deodorant powder fresh. 22 In its news release, the agency explains that CGMP stands for Current Good Manufacturing Practice, and these regulations make sure that a product is safe for use and that it has the ingredients and strength it claims to have. The products were shipped nationwide and sold at major retailers like Walmart, Dollar Tree, and Amazon. This comes after Deville issued the voluntary recall due to an inspection of the firm's manufacturing facility that revealed deviations from CGMP. And again, it clarifies that the products may be contaminated, which could increase the risk of infection or other adverse events. This means that, although there haven't been any reported illnesses or injuries, there is a chance that the products could cause harm if used. The FDA recommends that you stop using it immediately. You should then either throw the deodorant away in your household trash or return it to the place of purchase. Meanwhile, Deville says on its website that it is working with the FDA to resolve the issue and resume production of its products. We are taking all necessary measures to fully comply with FDA requirements and are cooperating closely with the agency, the company says. We understand the inconvenience this may cause our customers, and we appreciate their patience and understanding as we work to resolve this matter. Although the FDA generally considers recalled products safe to throw in the trash, it suggests that you check the product label for specific instructions about disposal. If you want to stay up to date with all of our latest videos, click the subscribe button right here on this screen. And make sure to click the bell icon to turn on notifications so you never miss an upload. What do you think of this recall? Let me know your thoughts in the comments. See you guys next time.
Without a car, I prefer not to drive to a distance more. The FDA says that you can also ship the product back to the manufacturer at your expense.
Deville says on its website that consumers with questions or concerns regarding the recall can contact the company directly at recall@apdeoville.com. Deville's recall affects more than 67,000 cases of deodorant across 3 different product lines. According to the FDA, nearly 21,000 cases of power stick for her roll-in antiperspirant deodorant powder fresh were recalled, along with more than 22,000 cases of power stick invisible protection roll-on antiperspirant deodorant spring fresh, and more than 23,000 cases of power stick original Nourishing invisible protection roll-on antiperspirant deodorant. CGMP stands for Current Good Manufacturing Practices, and as explained by the FDA, these regulations are designed to ensure that products are safe for use and have the ingredients and strength that they claim to have. They were also sold at various retailers, including Walmart, Dollar Tree, and Amazon. The products can be identified by their lot numbers, which can be found on the packaging. The FDA explains that violations related to the sterility of the products led to the recall. According to the agency, Deville's manufacturing facility is located in Carlstadt, New Jersey. And in a statement, the FDA said that during an inspection that took place between April and May of 2023, it found that the company did not establish and follow adequate procedures to ensure that the products were sterile and free from contamination. Because of this, the FDA said the products may be contaminated, which could increase the risk of infection or other adverse events. Deville did not immediately respond to people's request for comment. But in its own statement about the recall, the company said it was taking steps to ensure its products meet the FDA standards. We are working diligently with the FDA to quickly implement corrective actions to resume production once we are in full compliance, Deville said. We are committed to providing our customers with high-quality products, and we apologize for any inconvenience this may cause. 482 cases of power stick invisible protection roll antiperspirant deodorant spring fresh, and 23,467 cases of power stick original Nourishing invisible protection roll antiperspirant deodorant. The agency says that most recalled products are safe to throw in the trash. However, it recommends checking the specific product label for any instructions about disposal. The affected products can also be returned to the store where they were purchased. That's according to a news release from the U.S. Food and Drug Administration on Thursday, July 10th. And what should you do if you have this deodorant? Here's everything we know so far. Stick with me till the end of the video as I answer all those questions and more. If you're new here, make sure to click the subscribe button so you don't miss another video. And do me a favor, click on that like button because that tells me you find these videos helpful. The recall was voluntary and is for some power stick deodorants manufactured by AP Deville. According to the FDA, the recall is due to CGMP deviations. The FDA advises that the recalled products should be stopped using and disposed of. So what exactly does this recall mean? Why is it happening? Currently, the FDA is urging consumers who have purchased the recalled products to discontinue use and discard the items. Despite this, the agency notes that no adverse events or injuries have been reported to date in connection with the recalled products. The FDA notes that the recalled products were manufactured between March 2025 and May 2023 and were distributed nationwide. So now that you know what's being recalled and why, here's what you need to do if you have this deodorant. In addition to the information provided, the FDA encourages consumers to report any problems to its MedWatch program by calling 1-800-332-1088 or by reporting online at medwatch.gov. Well, folks, that's it for this video. Thanks for watching.